Alright guys, welcome to Amazon Loves Me. What we're looking at right here is a pet grooming vacuum kit. This is for dogs, so it's a professional de-shedding vacuum grooming kit. And again, it does come with some tools. It is for long-haired animals, such as long-haired dogs, for your home. Or I'm sure you could probably pack this thing up if you really had to. Obviously, if you have a few animals and you're looking to save a couple dollars doing the grooming yourself, this may be the unit for you. Now, right now it's $79.98 normally. It is on sale right now for 73% off. So normally it sells for $299.99. And again, if you maybe been thinking about doing your own pet grooming for your animals, this may be the unit you might want. Right now it's on sale on Amazon, and the link will be in the description. Thank you for checking out Amazon Loves Me.